OBS Studio has a lot of features, so mastering it is mainly about understanding how scenes, sources, audio, recording, streaming, and performance settings work together. Start by learning how scenes and sources work. Create different scenes for different situations, then add sources such as display capture, window capture, game capture, webcam, images, text, and browser sources. Next, master your audio setup. Make sure your microphone and desktop audio are configured correctly, then use filters like noise suppression, compressor, and limiter to improve your voice quality. After that, learn how to configure recording and streaming settings. Open the output settings and choose the appropriate encoder, resolution, frame rate, bitrate, and quality settings for your computer and platform. You should also understand the difference between software and hardware encoding. If your system supports hardware encoding, it can help reduce CPU usage during recording and streaming. Another important skill is scene management. Create starting, main content, break, and ending scenes, and use transitions to switch between them smoothly. You can also add webcam overlays, stream alerts, chat overlays, logos, and other graphics to make your content more professional. Performance monitoring is equally important. Use the OBS stats window to check dropped frames, rendering lag, and encoding overload. If you see problems, lower your resolution, FPS, or other demanding settings. Finally, practice with short test recordings and streams before creating important content. Testing helps you identify audio, video, and performance issues before they affect your final production. Once you understand these features, you'll be able to build a reliable OBS Studio setup for recording, streaming, tutorials, gaming, and professional video production.